Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. So today we're doing this French tip ocean themed set. Finger. Yeah, it's not a set, it's a finger. So right now I'm basically taking the blues and mixing them together. My biggest tip for this step is making sure you keep your beads slightly wet. Well, mostly wet, so you're able to blend them into each other and marble them. This makes the look way more realistic and more blended. Next, I'm going to be taking this custom made glitter and I'm going to be blending that into the blues as well and grabbing that dark blue again and adding it into that corner. Next, I'm going to be taking this lighter blue that I also mixed with the darker blue and I'm going to be blending this into the other colors. After that, you're going to see me add this pretty glitter on top, and it's called Hidden Treasures and it's by Valentino's Beauty Pure. So now you're going to make sure everything is blended to your liking, and then we're going to add our little decorations. I like to add these while the nail is still wet so you can press them in so they won't be that hard to cap. Okay, so now I'm going to be adding another glitter, and this is by Secret Nullifier, if I'm correct, and it's called, I don't even remember, but it will be linked down below when I find out the name. So here I am just adding the finishing touches. I'm adding these white little dots that I got from, I don't remember. I don't remember where I got them from, but if I can find them, I'll make sure I'll link them down below because I got these a while ago. But I'm just going to be placing these all over the nail, and it gives it like this sea bubble effect. Next, after this, I'm going to be capping it. We're finished, we're all done. I'm going to be using Young Nails Clear, and I'm going to cap the whole design. Now that we're done with capping, we're going to be reshaping. I'm going to take my 8080 grit file and I'm going to be taking in the sides and making that shape snatched again. Then I'm going to take the file and go over the top of the nail to make sure there's no bumps and make sure everything is sanded down. And then I'm going to go in with my E file. Yes, now we're all done shaping, so I'm going to be taking some alcohol and spraying the nail down to remove some of the nail dust. And here is the reveal. Yes, it looks so bomb. So now I'm going to be taking this nail glue by Angel Crystals and I'm going to be applying that little nail charm because I didn't want to leave the nail blank. I wanted to add something on there and this was perfect. So now that the charm is dry, we're going to be finishing the nail with Valentino's top coat. The top coat I always use. So here's the final reveal. It looks so pretty. I wish you guys could see it in person. It looks really bomb. But this is the end of the video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you have any suggestions, make sure you comment them down below. Thank you for watching. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. And if you aren't already, make sure you subscribe. Give this video a big thumbs up and I will see you guys very soon. Bye, loves.